first, Skylar or Nathan? Wait. Oh, well. I'm gonna be doing my best friend Skylar's hair. We're gonna cut it, and then we're gonna dye it. This is purely for comedy. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not experienced. So we're gonna be dyeing her hair dark brown. I literally don't know what I'm doing. It's so weird on camera. Oh,
You did not.
that was Skylar's father.
That's my dad.
Actually, before we dye it at all, we're gonna cut it.
I didn't. Okay, that's fine.
There's so much to cut off. It looks a lot more than it is.
Is it even?
Yeah, it's even. Done. Like first time. Woo! All right.
Guinea pig, freaking lab rat over here.
Now we're gonna section her hair.
Which way am I facing?
Oh, the camera for a little bit.
Ready for my close-up.
I know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it in the wrong steps. You know what I mean?
Yeah, like you don't know what order.
Yeah. So I'm taking the developer. Oh, by the way, we're using Clairol.
Clairol.
Since we're doing a full application, I'm just gonna pour all of it.
Oh.
So we're gonna mix this.
Is that the color?
This is the actual. It's supposed to be like light like that. Like it's not gonna be the actual color. It's gotta set in your hair and then. Yeah, it's weird. Oh, that smells good.
Oh, that smells like a good shampoo.
Yeah, that smells good. Ooh.
Ed.
Okay, so here we go. It smells so good.
I know, I love this.
I mean, at least now your hair will be one solid color. Aww.
This is how our friend. So what do we do after we put everything on and let it sit?
We have to let it sit for 20 minutes and then we have to condition it.
Okay. When time is up, rinse until the water runs clear. Apply a quarter size amount of the conditioner and rinse.
Update, just deep conditioned Skylar's hair, and now we're gonna wait like 30 minutes to an hour, and then she's gonna shower, and then we're gonna style her hair, and it's gonna be beautiful, and then my boyfriend's gonna come over. We're all just gonna have a great time. Okay, so now we're doing the styling, which is like step 3,500. Like, we've gone through so many steps, I don't even know.
Aggressive blowing. Oh wait, never mind. I did not mean that.
What is up with people and the whole mirror outside pics? Like, can someone tell me what is up with that? This is what we do. So we're gonna use the chasing method. Now this I do know, this I can teach. We'll just take a section of hair. We should section of her hair, but I'm just so tired at this point. Comb underneath.
Oh.
And then chase it. Ooh, you're so pretty. I'm good, I know.
No reason.
Oh. Hey guys, so I'm back at my house. I'm sorry it's like angled this way. I'm like literally so tired. It literally took 4 hours like in total, and like you can guys see how tired I am. I would set up some studio lights and stuff, put a little bit more effort into this scene, but you know, that room that we were all just goofing off in was Skylar's basement. Her mom is a personal trainer. She has like a home gym, which is like so cool. My boyfriend was working out in it while we were dyeing her hair and finishing it up. So this is the before and after picture. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, leave a comment down below, and as always, subscribe. I hope you guys have a great night. Bye.